What's up guys? Today I'm sharing a spring clean and decorate with me. Tons of cleaning motivation, decor ideas, and an easy DIY that'll instantly brighten up any home. So make sure to stay to the end to see how everything turned out. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing before you leave.
But I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
Before we get started, today's video is in collaboration with Natasha from My Style, My Home, and we are bringing you double the cleaning motivation. She's a wife and mom to 4 kids, and she posts similar content to mine from cleaning, organization, decor, and lifestyle videos. So once you're finished watching my video, definitely make sure to go check her out. I will have her links down below in the description bar, and also let her know I sent you. So I'm starting off in my kitchen because there are tons of things that are going to be changing around here. So I'm going to start off with cleaning, getting everything off of the countertops, and then we can start on decorating. I'm also going to be moving a few appliances around because I feel like things are maybe a little bit too cluttered, and I want to see if I move a couple of things around, how that will function better for us. Also, if you guys are coming over from Natasha's channel, welcome. My name is Nia and I am so glad you're here. I hope you guys find tons of cleaning motivation from today's video along with some spring decor ideas. I would love it if you stuck around by clicking the subscribe button down below and joining my YouTube family. Also, make sure to introduce yourself down below. I would love to say hi.
Just watch me breaking. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
This particular morning, Riley helped me make biscuits, and she's an extremely picky eater, and I'm finding that the more she helps me out in the kitchen, the more likely she will give things a try. So she did have a small bite of the biscuits. However, she said she didn't like it, which is completely fine. The fact that she's even taking bites of it is a huge win for us.
'Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah. She didn't even see me gaze yesterday. 'Cause I know I am nobody to ya, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. 'Cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Just like that.
the kitchen all cleaned up. Now it's time to decorate. I found these 4-piece mats from Home Goods and I instantly fell in love with them. So I'm going to put them up near the bar stools because honestly, we do not sit down at our table and eat. We typically sit on the bar stool. So I'm going to lay these out. And then I also have this china that we've had for a while now, and it has like flowers on it. So it was really giving me those spring vibes.
Just like that, like me like that, like me like that, just like that.
I really wanted to add something else to the island. I felt like it was a bit bare, so I found this wood board, and what I love most about it is the fact that it does spin around. So I figured I could add some nice flowers on here, one of these ceramic houses that I picked up from the Target dollar spot, and then also one of my favorite candles from Bath and Body Works to keep the kitchen smelling nice.
Like me like that, just like that, just like that, just like that. Like me like that, just like that.
So I decided to put our air fryer in this nook, and then I also picked up this huge bowl from Home Goods. I love just how like deep it is and how it is able to hold so much more fruits.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on.
There's nothing like fresh baked goods, and these are apple muffins that I had made earlier on in the day. I will leave the link to the recipe down below. They are so good, and I honestly am not sure how long they're going to last.
Your walls, 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
Moving on into Riley's playroom, I did a quick cleanup in here because as you can see, she dumped all of her play food. And then what I'm gonna do is decorate her play kitchen area. And then you see these wooden kind of like baskets. I'm not really sure what they're called, but these wooden baskets, I'm gonna be using these for a DIY later. So definitely make sure to stay tuned for that.
My kingdom on lockdown. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no.
Everything that I used to decorate her play kitchen area was picked up from the Target dollar section. It was one of those random Target trips and I got stuck in the Target dollar section like always, but everything was super, super cute, and I think the most expensive thing might have been $5.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more. We're done now, no words no more, no, no. We're done now, no words no more.
Now moving on to the DIY, I used this wooden bin or basket or whatever, and then I found this wood stain in the garage. So I'm gonna use a paper towel and go over the entire thing and cover it.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you. Well, I know that by now it is obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Once that was finished and dried, I then used these styrofoam blocks that I actually picked up from the Dollar Tree, and then I found a bunch of these yellow tulip flowers from Michael's. I think they might have been on sale for $1, and I picked up 5 of them, and all I was doing is literally just adding them into the styrofoam.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel
to hang it on the door. I will say I wish I would have found like a better ribbon, one that was a little bit more full, but considering the situation that we are all in, I just did not want to run out to the store just for some ribbon. So this will just have to do.
City lights, I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to
I hope you guys got tons of cleaning motivation and spring decor inspo from today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe before you leave, and also make sure to check out Natasha's video. I will have it linked down below for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in a couple days in another video.